Airtable, make Google Sheets automation. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Open your browser and search for Airtable.com in the search bar. Log into your account by entering your email and password, or create one if you do not have an account yet. Once you are logged in, you will be directed to the home page. From there, go to the left sidebar, locate the Workspace section, and click on it. When you are in the Workspace section, click the Create a Workspace button located at the top right corner of the page. Start by entering your new workspace name, then click the Create button to continue. When a pop-up appears, select the Build an App on your own option to proceed. Once your project is ready, go to the top of the page and click the Automation section. Begin by adding the trigger you want and adjust its settings as needed. After setting up the trigger, click the Advanced Logic or Action section. Scroll down the options until you find the Google Sheets option. Click it to connect Google Sheets with your project.